Earthquakes, Visions, and Dreams, Memoirs of the Father. I was reading Revelation 18 uh, to see how much it coincided with a vision the Lord gave me a year ago. I was ashamed because of this guilty fornication that I partook in, and God was leaving. And I believe it's going to happen to every Christian in the United States. Close. Within the time frame of sudden destruction, which I believe is going to be E equals MC squared. Albert Einstein's nuclear formulas or whatever, that point here in the United States of America. Peace is and there's sudden destructions, nuclear proliferation, and then the use of the weapons, and I think it's gonna happen
Your black tea is ready.
sooner than later. I believe the capital most of will be destroyed. Washington D.C. I believe the earthquakes that took place, the Book of Revelations already happened. Passing homosexual law in place. And when they split into three sessions, partition, assets, and everything. This is the word of the Lord. If you're not trying with you, be not dismayed, for I am your God. Stay tuned for more earthquakes, visions, and dreams.